and welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll show you how to recover formatted external hard drive using CMD in a simple and practical way, so you can try to get your lost data back quickly. Now let's get started. Step 1. First connect your external hard drive to your PC using the USB cable and make sure it is properly detected by the system. You can check this by opening File Explorer and confirming that the drive appears with a letter name. This step is important because your computer must recognize the drive before you can attempt any recovery. Step 2. Click on the search box located on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and type Command Prompt. From the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, which gives it full system permissions to make changes. Running it as administrator is necessary because recovery commands require elevated access to scan and modify drive attributes. Step 3. Once the command prompt window opens, type ATTRIB and then press Enter, making sure to replace F with the actual drive letter of your external hard drive. This command works by removing hidden read-only and system attributes from files that may still exist on the formatted drive. It attempts to unhide and restore accessible data, which can help you recover files if they were not permanently erased. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.